Hello, and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, this is a great place to start. In this series, I'll be walking through how to use Unreal Engine and the basics and fundamentals of programming. So we'll kick off with getting the Epic Games installer, the launcher, the engine installed, and just kind of how to set up our project and our file settings. After that, we'll do an engine overview of all the different content browsers, the windows, the details panel, the world outliner and all that fun stuff and how to navigate that world outliner. After that, we'll be placing some objects to kind of kickstart our first learning experience, which will be making a simple platformer game. So we'll be placing some platform blocks and a player start and an end goal to get you more familiar with how to use the engine. After that, we'll move on to programming fundamentals, where we'll be breaking down things like variables, functions, branching, which is if-then statements, and then move to something a little bit more advanced for your newer users like loops and data organization. And then finally, a breakdown and introduction into what blueprints are and visual scripting in Unreal. After that, we'll be assembling our very first little game here. We'll be building an obstacle, a collectible, and have some kind of goal logic for an end game. And to help display that, we'll be using a simple UI. And then finally, we'll go ahead and polish that up and export it. So this is a great place to start. If you're brand new to games in general, you've never touched an engine before, start here. If you have touched an engine before, maybe Unity, Godot, or some other RPG maker, this is also a good place to start to get into Unreal. Even if you have a bunch of experience and you just want to learn what the nodes do in Unreal, this is also a great place to start. So if you just want to learn, start here.